mo sa basura. Huwag basura yan!
Pwedeng juice? Tanungin mo sa akin kung pwede na juice. Tanungin mo, check mo kasi pwede ba dito kasi pakita mo sa picture lang dito.
Meanwhile, there was a van approaching our house. Come on, Kurt. The delivery man, let's go. Oh, hi. Hello. Hi, thank you for your call. No, it's for me. This is for you. Oh, there's two glasses for me. One more. Oh, stop. Make sure that you have to look into that order. That's the only thing I can think of. No. She would. The apple. Like, well, that was 500 or something. I'm coming off to your check.
Kuya po. Kuya po. Kuya. Kuya. Pwede ba makainom si Luna ng Diyos? No. Hindi naman po. Luna. Pwede na daw.
Bagong gising po. Babay na, babay na, nagka-charge yung ano. Ha?
Sino ang sa'yo?
Kasi si ano, naiwan. Kasi ayaw niya si Gertie.
Ano ayaw niya?
Una. Gusto niya sabi si
Mamala.
si Mamala.
Yep. Yes! Alam ka sumahin pagkagising.
Yes po.
Lily!
Leslie.
Lily.
Ha?
Sky Bridge.
Richie.
With cheese whiz. Alam ka sumahin pagkagising eh. Parang nagutom sa tulog eh. Asan Lily? Lily!
Leslie Lily.
Oh, ba't wala tayo picture? Baliktad yata yung ano eh. Lily! Ay, ayun. Lily! Galing na, Lily? Galing na? Galing Likod na? Oh. Ay, galing. Oh, ang ganda na ng kulay.
Leslie Mamala.
Putis na na, mes.
Mamala.
Putis na, magaling na yan.
Leslie Mami Rita. Mami Rita.
Eh, yun. Tulog si Mami Rita, para. Luna, ano si Mami?
Ayun o.
Ano yan?
Ayun o.
Galing si Lily, wala na yung mukha.
Si ano, si Mamala. Si ano, si Mami Rita.
Gusto niya. Si Nanay, asan si Nanay?
Si Nanay. No?
Ah, baka mag-iba. Mami na si Kaso. Ano nga so?
Babay na. Bye-bye.
Okay na, Lily. Ewan. Miyerkules? Magpis pa naman. Ay, magpis pa lang bukas. Bagal naman.
Dalawang baba daw niya. Paliguan kami ng paliguan na gabi. May sakit na lang, may naliligo pa rin, di ba? And may sakit.
Dito, dapat pagkakasakit.
Mainit na.
Oh? Grabe.
Kasi ba't ganyan ko?
Pwede naman yung mga ano lang.
Nagalit niya.
Pwede yung mga sigit-sigit lang, di ba? Yung punas ko na babay mo sa libo.
Just want tickets to different airports. From business to economy to find out which one we see best.
Pwede mo yung mga bata sa kalye, kahit mga titibay.
So we booked different flights and now
Di ba siya eh? Kasi pag may, di ba dito noon, nagalit ako sa kanya? Kaya nagsusuka na, mainit na, pinaliguan pa rin.
Hindi nagsuka rin yun.
Oo. Pinaliguan pa rin. Kung sa atin. Uy, ate, hindi ba yun sa probinsya namin?
Eh, yung ayaw niya, hindi daw palito yung mga ganyan.
Maniwala ka.
Totoo naman yun, pagka sobrang init ka, niluwan sa ospital.
Pag nasa hospital ka. Iba na yung pakiramdam na anak mo, eh, yung baga nga niyang ano dun, hindi lang yung mainit naman siya eh. Ano na, iba na yung pakiramdam. Kung init lang, okay lang. Eh, yung may ubo ka na, may sipon ka na, ubo. Okay lang yung sipon, pero yung init na, yung pakiramdam ng bata, ayun.
Yeah, dami ka mga ganyan-ganyan mga tips. Wala ka mga puno dyan. Yes. Wow, that will be very good. Right. Ano yan?
Oh, I have these.
Uy, parang pa yan eh. Uy, sabi yan, kung bago AI. Cool. Yeah. Wow.
Hindi, alis lang, alungan, mamalang, pagkawal,
Mamaya. Bibili siya ulam natin, fish. Ano gusto mong ulam? Chicken?
Paano mo na ba yun?
Doon kayo sa... Ha?
Paprito mo na ba?
Anong oras? Mga 6. Kahit mamaya-maya, pwede may prito. Sige, ano ba din?
Welcome to Luxury Rides 2030, the channel where the future of cars and luxury homes come alive.
Wow.
Today, we're diving into the top 3 futuristic house cars that are redefining how we live, travel, and explore the world. From self-healing Lamborghinis to Rolls-Royce visions of the future and Volvo's driverless luxury homes on wheels. This is not just about driving. This is about living the future. Car number 1. Lamborghini Terzo Millennium. First off, the Lamborghini Terzo
Hindi siya
Millennium.
naging
This
progress
is
na
not your regular Lamborghini.
saranggan.
Designed in collaboration with MIT, it's a self-healing hypercar.
Buti na lang, ano pa lang nila, ceremony pa lang. Pero yung iba, yung mga high school, nasa loob na ng
Building.
So, nasa loob na sila ng room nila.
Wala naman namatay. Kasi yan.
Imagine a car that can repair its own cracks and damages automatically. Now, picture this technology inside a house car, a futuristic Lamborghini motorhome glowing in neon edges, running fully on electric power. Inside, you don't just have seats, you have a mini luxury apartment, smart glass windows, touch-controlled lighting, and an AI-powered cockpit that can drive itself while you relax. Living in a Lamborghini doesn't just sound like a dream. With concepts like the Terzo Millennium, it's a glimpse of tomorrow. Sharp, bold, and powerful. This is what happens when speed meets home living. Car number 2, Rolls-Royce 103X, also known as the Vision X100. If Lamborghini is This futuristic car is almost 20 feet long, designed as a moving lounge. Inside, there's no steering wheel because it's fully autonomous. Instead, you step into a space with silk carpets, wooden panels, and a sofa-style seat that feels more like a private jet than a car. Now, imagine transforming this into a house car. Your Rolls Royce becomes a five-star suite on wheels. You could sleep, dine, and even host meetings, all while the car drives itself silently across futuristic highways. The Rolls-Royce 103PX is proof that in the future, luxury cars won't just take you places, they'll become the place you live in. And finally, the Volvo 360C concept, a futuristic vision of safety and comfort. Unlike Lamborghini's extreme speed or Rolls-Royce's luxury, Volvo focuses on smart living. The 360C is a fully autonomous pod. Inside, it looks more like a compact studio apartment. You can stretch out on a bed, work on a desk, or enjoy entertainment on wide digital screens, all while the car drives itself. What makes the Volvo 360C special is how it could replace airplanes for short distances. Instead of booking a flight, you step into your Volvo pod at night, sleep in comfort, and wake up in another city, safe, private, and relaxed. It's not just a car, it's a moving smart home built for the future of travel. At number 3, we have the Mercedes-Benz Future House Car. This isn't just transportation, it's a moving for the next generation.
Alis na nga naman na. Magaling ako.
Ang bibilin mo?
Meron din si Papa.
Banana, painin ka.
Oo. Alis si Mama Lalo na. Babalik na siya. Ha?
Kasi mini Amazon, mini cellphone. Mahal lang yan. Siyempre, Amazon parang Lazada yan. Pwede kang maraming nabibili dyan. Amazon sa US yan.
Okay, yung tambay di. Ako may ano ko pa nung pagkakyat ko na pa.
Ayun, gusto ako yan. Ay, asan na yun o? Yung bag ko. Inakyat mo?
Okay, why does he know if they got a healthy series?
Yan, yan.
It's impossible. He's playing with Lucky and address the box, trying to have his podcast. There's no
Sinagtay ba tayo? Wow. Hindi nga sa Disney. Ano pa nakalagay dyan? Sa Disney sa US o sa Japan? Hong Kong? Ay! Oh, baboy pa rin.
Mama na. Wala po.
Ano yan? Ano ba? Ay, hindi doon sa kulibigaw. Kulibigaw na ano? Lata. Ayan. Ano yelo? Yung mas malaki. Ito na. Yan. Yan, ang daming bay dito. Yan.
Secretly being a villain to Princess Daisy being Princess Peach's third sister. Today we're breaking down.